So today I'm making one of my favorite side dishes to serve with seafood or fish. It's cauliflower with lemon and dill and capers. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make. So today I'm going to take cauliflower to a whole new level. Now it starts off super simple, no big surprises here, just a little olive oil. I have 2 heads of cauliflower that I have in big pieces. I just pulled it all apart and just washed it real well. And then we're just gonna season it with salt and pepper. Can't get any easier than this, right? This is such a super simple dish. It has so much flavor. It's a bit unexpected, all of the great flavors that you get from this. And it just starts by simply roasting these in the oven. I'm gonna put on another layer just since it's such a big batch of cauliflower. And I make a big batch because, for one, my family loves cauliflower, but we just love vegetables in general. So this might give us a little bit of leftovers for the second day, but sometimes it doesn't, because what ends up happening is I leave a tray of these out and everybody walks by and takes them. And so by the time we get to dinner, they're half gone. So now we just lay this out on the baking sheet and throw it in the oven. All right, so the roasted cauliflower has come out of the oven, and I use the parchment sheet just to pick it up and get it back in my big mixing bowl. So I just take it in one big heap, get it all in there, and then I can slide that to the side. All right, so in my big bowl here, I've got the roasted cauliflower. And this is so simple, but it adds so much flavor. So we're gonna add a little bit of lemon juice. And I usually, once a week, I'll just cut and squeeze lemons so that I've got a big container of it on hand. So I just keep my big thing of lemon juice handy. And then a little salt, some pepper. And remember, we salted and peppered these with some olive oil before we put them in the oven, so you don't need to overdo it. Now here's my secret. I use fresh dill, and I'm just gonna sprinkle that on. And the dill and the lemon add so much wonderful flavor. And then some fresh, well, not fresh, but some jarred capers, and just sprinkle those in.